Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Hotel California, 10 oldest hotels in California with tales to tell. So let's start my video. Hotel California, 10 oldest hotels in California with tales to tell. When it's come to assessing the caliber of a business, locally can be served as a reliable yardstick. In California, some hotels have stood the test of some time thanks to their unwavering commitment to providing exceptional service, to keeping up with the latest trend, travel and hospitality for those who wish to explore the Golden Gate. There are several hotels with intriguing history and background for those from. There are some of the oldest hotels in California with every colorful past the range from heritage hotel and hotel. There are once home to prominent figures in society to properties that have been destroyed by earthquakes and places there are rumored to be haunted. Many of these buildings have undergone extensive restoration to innovation, ensuring that they remain as impressive and inviting as ever. The National Exchange Hotel. The National Exchange was built in 1856 and listed in the National Register of Historic Places in 1973. It is also listed as the California Historical Landmark in 2018. Under government and extensive renovation and restoration after a thought 3-year renovation, the property now provides guests with a luxurious stay, but that combines contemporary comfort with Victorian charm. Active guests can check out the equestrian hiking the biking trails near the hotel, while relaxed guests can sample some of the hotel's offering like the garden lounge of Lola. The Grand Lounge is beautiful and abound the boost and balcony with stunning views of Nevada, making it another great spot of lounge around. For those seeking an upscale dining experience, Lola Experience choice to name it an ambiance perfect for solo lunch date or special occasions is the loved ones. The Hollywood Roosevelt. The Hollywood Roosevelt is an iconic hotel is an access since the golden age of Hollywood. Its was named in honor of former U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt, as the played host to numerous VIPs and Hollywood legends over the air, including Marilyn Monroe, Charlie Chaplin, and Clark Gable. To Walk for Fame is the reverse emblem of entertainment world, and the Hollywood Reserve is the situated on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Right the heart of Los Angeles. Interesting, the first ever Academy Award ceremony. It was held to the Hollywood Reserve in 1929, making it a significant landmark in Hollywood's history. The Napa River Inn. The Napa River Inn is a charming part of the old Victorian waterfront complex on the historic Napa Mills, established in 1884 by Captain Walbert, and it's a registered historic landmark that other lives, entertainment, fine dining, and auspicious accommodation. It is an ideal place for stay for travelers who wish to explore the amenities in Napa Valley while enjoying elegant accommodation and excellent service. Guests can also include a revitalization spa and venture outside the hotel to explore all attractions near the Napa River Inn. This includes exploring the top restaurant in Napa Valley, wine tasting, and Princess the Napa Valley wineries, shopping, and other exciting Napa Valley adventures. There have been resort and paranormal activities at this hotel, and with two ghost sightings once have said to be of a woman dressed with White Wu seemed to be searching for someone to other citing two place to guest rooms located above Sweetie Pie's bakery. Hotel Casa del Mar, Santa Monica. The Casa del Mar is one of the historic seaside hotel in California. It is a great spot for all types of travelers to enjoy two coastal ensuring of Santa Monica. Some nearby features such as the first solar powered Ferris wheel are absolutely Instagram worthy. It was built in 1926 as an exclusive private club and has now evolved into the elegantly designed seaside villa with almost 130 rooms. Guests have a range of accommodation to choose from, including two-story penthouse, guest house, and suites. Seafood lovers can take advantage on fish seats. Seafood restaurant Catch Hotel Casa del Mar or stop by a terraza at the historic hotel. Cocktail, wine and signature sangries. The Intercontinental Mark Hopkins. This hotel sits on mob hills of the original neighborhood is San Francisco, featuring several high-end storefront restaurants and historic sites. Intercontinental Mark Hopkins now sits on the side of what used to be the 49 rooms mansion belonging on one of San Francisco. Big for Mark Hopkins, the site has undergone many changes, having been destroyed during the Great San Francisco earthquake of 1906 and later replaced by a simpler building at the request at the San Francisco Art Association, now known as the San Francisco Art Institute. The gorgeous landmarks mansion turned hotel has hosted several VIPs including Elvis Presley, John Barrymore, Judy Garland, and other Hollywood icons. The Place Hotel. The Place Hotel was established in 1875, was San Francisco initial luxury hotel and the world's biggest of its kind. At the first, the Place Hotel in San Francisco was destroyed in the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, but it was rebuilt the response in 1909. It was remained one of the historic hotels in San Francisco, California for over 100 years, with over 500 lavish rooms that ensured exquisite attention to detail. The hotel beauty is further exchanged by the West Atrium brightness by several Austrian crystal chandeliers. Notably, the Place Hotel was also have considered by Fabrice Travel Chinatown, the North Beach. Le Valencia Hotel. For our 95 years, this hotel just welcomed travelers and enjoy peaceful stay. Its rooms are stylish and offer interactive views of the Pacific Ocean. The Valencia Hotel features a signature pink interior and a Spanish tailored towards that matches the beauty and elegance inside the historic landmark. In La Jolla, Coves, an idyllic destination for couples to get married in California to enjoy a romantic getaway. Guests of the historic seaside hotel also enjoy access to La Jolla Beach, where two can relax or enjoy various available activities. Stonepin Estate. Nature love is quite an alike to enjoy Soperstein Estate and features several accommodations such as Dowd as range of retinue of the loft enjoy music, food and parlor games. The Chateau Nurse in another great option to nature loves and looking a pleasing style and formal garden surrounding the Chateau. Guests at Dowd H Ranch who make a reserve may take tour a Chateau Nurse grounds and garden at specific time. The Francis House. The Francis House is a charming hotel that originally family residence owned by James H. Francis, distinguished a local merchant. The property became a landmark. Calistoga is 1836 and is included in the National Register of Historic Places. It is an ideal choice for travelers seeking old-time charm while surrounded by a magnificent collection of antiques. This historic establishment is the only stone-built French Second Empire home in the Calistoga. It offers guests the opportunity to enjoy a bike ride, wine tasting, hot air balloon rides, and other fun activities. Calistoga, moreover, it's a perfect place to relax, unwind the play, and enjoy all the brilliant sports in Calistoga. The 1906 Lodge. The 1906 Lodge is the name of suggests was built in 1906 as the historic Coronado Island. The Spanish style villa was recognized as one of TripAdvisor's Travelers' Choice Awards for top 25 romantic hotels in 2020. The Montague Hotel offers 17 rooms and has been renovated and modernized over the year. The 1960 Lodge is just a short walk from the gorgeous Coronado and beach is the excellent choice for travelers who want to explore Coronado Island and other amazing destinations in San Diego. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed. The travel as affiliate and sponsor partnership, so we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.